Need the sound of a powerful professional loudspeaker with the portability of a boombox? Meet Thump Go. This 8-inch battery-powered loudspeaker offers lightning-fast setup with up to 12 hours of battery life, simple yet powerful sound processing, flexible inputs, Bluetooth streaming, and wireless control via the Thump Connect 2 app. In this video, we're going to walk you through each feature including the app, which may be controlled remotely via Bluetooth connection. Thump Go may be small, but this little loudspeaker has got the goods where it counts. An ultra-efficient Class D amplifier squeezes every last bit of the beautiful sound from every watt. And to get the air moving, the custom high-output 8-inch woofer and 1-inch compression driver deliver the thump and clear highs. Not sure where to place your Thump Go? With a sturdy molded cabinet and tough feet, you can expect excellent performance no matter where you set it. If you want to optimize your room coverage, Thump Go has a standard-sized built-in pole mount for mounting on a subwoofer or speaker stand. You can also use Thump Go as a floor monitor when tilted back on its side. No matter how you use your Thump Go, it's easy to move it, especially with this awesome ergonomic handle built right into the top. Now let's take a look at the rear panel. Here you will see a 2-channel digital mixer with an XLR through output. In addition to accepting a balanced mic signal using an XLR connector, these input channels also accept 1/4-inch line level signals driven by balanced or unbalanced sources. Channel 1 features a mic line switch below the gain knob. This switch adjusts the channel's input sensitivity to optimize channel 1 for mic or line level signals. If a mic is connected, this switch should be engaged and the gain knob set to mic. If an instrument is connected to channel 1, this switch should be disengaged and the gain knob set to line. On channel 2, there's a 1/8 input jack. This input channel may accept a 1/8 line level signal from a phone, tablet, MP3 player, or other signal sources. And don't worry, this line level connection may be used simultaneously with channels 2 combo jack, whether you're using an XLR, 1/4-inch, and/or Bluetooth connection. In other words, there are extra inputs and none of them will be interrupted. Here you will also find the Bluetooth pair and speaker linking buttons, but we will get to that a bit later. The main level knob adjusts the overall signal level at the input to the built-in power amplifiers. Keep in mind that Thump Go is designed to operate with an average line signal when the main knob and line input gain are at unity, also known as the center position. Above the main volume knob are the overload and battery LED indicators. Thump Go has a built-in limiter that helps to prevent the amplifier outputs from clipping or overdriving the transducers. The limit indicator illuminates red when the limiter is activated. It's okay for it to blink occasionally, but if it blinks frequently or lights continuously, turn down the gain knobs until it only blinks occasionally. The tri-colored battery LED displays remaining battery life. As I mentioned earlier, Thump Go features up to 12 hours of battery life, and to make sure you never run out of juice, the battery life meter is silk screened on the rear panel just below the channel 2 combo jack. Under the hood of Thump Go is some powerful processing that you can tap into to up your sound quality game. With 4 different application-specific voicing modes, you can instantly optimize Thump Go for how you use it from a single button. Just press the voicing mode button repeatedly until the voicing mode you desire is illuminated. Music mode is full range, but focuses on increased bass and brilliant high frequencies. This is the place to start for most DJ and playback applications. In speech mode, a dedicated compressor engages to help control the aggressive dynamics generated by speech. It features a significant low-frequency roll-off to attenuate low-end vocal boom and adds boost to high frequencies, critical for speech clarity. Monitor mode was tailored to reduce excess low-frequency output when coupled to the ground, while also reducing mid-range bite for the artist on the stage. This mode should only be engaged when the speaker is in its monitor orientation on a stage or floor. If you're using a Thump Go to high-pass the signal to be sent to a subwoofer, engage sub mode. This mode rolls off a little bit of the low end, so you get approximately 3 dB of extra output. In case you are wondering, the voicing mode curves are located at the bottom of the rear panel. On the top right-hand corner of the rear panel are 4 buttons that display outdoor mode, music ducking, feedback eliminator, and front LED. When engaged, each mode will illuminate green. Outdoor mode should be engaged when you are using Thump Go outside. When speakers are outside, a combination of low and high frequencies just don't build up the way they do inside. Thump Go corrects for that by boosting the frequency ranges that get lost, so the speaker sounds the same outside as when it's inside. Just make the selection and we'll do the rest. When the music ducking switch is engaged, the channel 2 level will decrease when a mic signal is present on channel 1. For example, if someone speaks into the mic while music is playing, the music volume will automatically decrease without fully turning off. When speaking is completed, the music will return back to its previous level. Perfect for making announcements during an event you want to keep the jams flowing at. Experiencing nasty squeals and unwanted rumble? When engaged, the multi-band feedback eliminator switch hunts down offending feedback frequencies and applies up to 6 notch filters. This automatically destroys feedback and maximizes gain prior to it. This is a great tool for when an engineer is not present. When the front LED button is engaged, the horizontal LED bar located near the bottom front of Thump Go illuminates green. Disengage the switch if you do not want the front panel LED to illuminate. We like to call this stealth mode. Now let's take a look at those pair and link buttons I mentioned earlier. While it's not considered a physical connection, stereo channel 3/4 is considered the Bluetooth channel, and its volume is raised and lower via the device. This is where these buttons come into play. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the pair switch down for at least 3 seconds. The LED will illuminate and slowly flash blue for approximately 30 seconds while in pairing mode. The LED will continue to flash until it has successfully paired and connected. While Thump Go is in pairing mode, simultaneously scan for Bluetooth devices on your device. You should see Thump Go appear in the list of available devices. Select it by tapping it, and from there, your Bluetooth device will indicate that it is successfully connected. The pair button will stop flashing and remain solid blue. If it does not, start the pairing process again, and make sure that the Thump Go and your device are both in pairing mode at the same time. Just like you've experienced with the rest of our Thump series, Thump Go allows you to link a second Thump Go via Bluetooth for music playback and control. You can even link them together via Bluetooth to stream music in both in either stereo or dual zone mode, plus control both via the Thump Go app. To link 2 Thump Go loudspeakers, press and hold the link momentary switch down on the primary Thump Go loudspeaker until the blue LED illuminates and begins slow flashing. Within 30 seconds, quickly press and release the link button on the secondary Thump Go. This allows both units to see each other and link. Once successfully linked, the LEDs on both units will stop flashing and remain solid. The Thump Go loudspeakers will continue to auto-link on every power-up unless this feature is turned off via the Thump Connect 2 app. Speaking of which, let's dive into the app, which was designed to be used in conjunction with Thump Go. Once downloaded to your device, all of the features I mentioned earlier can be controlled remotely via Bluetooth connection. The only thing the Thump Connect 2 app can't do is turn the Thump Go on and off. Dive in and adjust anything from EQ, voicing modes, to channel levels, venue-specific presets, and more. Thump Go was built to make your life a whole lot easier. This powerful, ultra-lightweight, battery-powered loudspeaker offers lightning-fast setup, simple yet powerful sound processing, plus flexible inputs, Bluetooth streaming, and wireless control.